just added a few more bits. I've added some more plywood at the front here, just for weight, to try and get the balance right, because obviously this strip of plywood going all the way to the back here is adding quite a lot of tail weight, so we've had to make the nose a lot heavier. I've added a thin bit of pizza tray here just to make the profile look right, and obviously that's the hook for catapult launch. Put my logo on it, so we need to wait for the glue to dry. Well, also it's pretty close to midnight, I think, so maybe tomorrow we'll see if we can get it to fly. I've rubbed down the leading edge and the trailing edge to give us a bit of a profile, or airfoil, just by rubbing it hard, so that smooths off the square edge. I think it's still possibly a little bit tail heavy. We're about 50% cord of the wing at the moment. We probably need to go a bit further forwards than that, but I can add some blue tack or something on the nose. Well, we'll see if it flies tomorrow.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.